Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram post pin not showing. I actually managed to fix it for myself, and there are a few things you can do to try to get it working again. So here are a few things you should know. First of all, you want to open up Instagram, and the way it appears is you go on a reel or photo or whatever, you click on the three dots, and you have pin to your profile or pin to your reels. From what I know, you can't really do it on other people's things. So if you go to any other post from someone else, you can't really do it. So if you're trying to pin something from someone else, you can't do it. So you gotta pin only things from your own account. The next thing you can actually do is you want to hop over to the App Store. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app open. So you want to click here, type in search, type in Instagram, just like so, but not Instagram, and you want to make sure that there's an open option, not an update option. Next thing you can do is go over to your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage. Now you want to go to Instagram, which should be here. Here you want to offload or delete the app. That's pretty much all you can do. Another option is if you don't have this option for these settings for because of your region. So if that's the issue, maybe you can try with different regions, maybe with a VPN, but that's pretty much all you gotta do. If you still have the issue, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. Love you with all my heart. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next one.